Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So for the moment, we did get a bit of a break below this area. Now, always hindsight being a perfect science. If we take that level there, which is not quite the one that we should be looking at, we should be looking at one of those two. You can see that's pretty much where price came into. Now, we do have a crossover of the oscillators at the moment, quite far apart. We've got a pin bar and an inside bar off the structure, and we are now flirting with this area here. So for me, at the moment, there are two areas to the upside that we need to pay attention to, and they are like that. We'll get to them now on the lower time frames. This double top bottom has been verified, so we're looking for a, let's just get a measured move target to the upside, and that's going to be, I'm going to take it off that level. So there's our measured move. So nothing really in there, so we'll have to wait and see what transpires there. At the moment, if we start moving down through the time frames, you'll see a couple of things. Firstly, moving averages crossover, nice grouping down here on the 3-hour oscillators, and then an attack to the upside. This is the range as far as I'm concerned at the moment, and we're waiting for data. So the whole week has been a range as typical. That's typical for that first week when you've got non-farm payrolls coming out, and that's the way that you need to be looking at this. So I'm not interested in going long in this area. I'd want to see pullback onto structure, and quite frankly, I'm only interested in looking at this once the data is out. So pretty nice double bottom here in play. But if I do that, you're going to see all that's happened is we target the top of the range here. So that's the way I'm treating this. This is a range. Look at the oscillators at the moment, all grouped to the upside, top of range. So even if we pop up to 33,482, still nothing for me to start looking for longs up there. Definitely looking for pullback onto structure. Lastly, on the hour, oops, wrong level. What we're looking for is, that would be a fairly interesting area to pull back to. 32, let's call it 32, well, it'll be 3,300. So you're looking for 3,300 to be tested, and if it can hold, then you're looking for break the upside. Bear in mind, non-farm payrolls is going to be messy, it's going to be volatile. So I'm sitting quite quietly on the side and waiting for next week before looking for trades on this. So it is very, very nicely poised, and there's quite a bit of structure that it's brewing. This flag that we have at the moment, if we're breaking that, let's just get to, I think you'll see it on the 3-hour. Yeah, so if you're going to break that there, you have a pretty big cup and handle here. Alternatively, you've got this long move up range. So break and retest of that, you're basically looking for another 8%, 8.5% move to the upside. So that's why I'm saying it is very, very interesting to pay attention to this. And I'm only looking for it on the higher time frames. Not going to try and jump in on this on a lower time frame. So that's kind of my view at the moment. Sitting quietly on the side. If we do start getting the breaks up here, then we're looking to trade it to the upside. If we start getting the breaks to the downside, then we are looking to continue the trade to the downside. So yeah, that's kind of my view at the moment. Range trade, break the upside, trade, take it up to the measured move first. We start breaking to the downside, you're going to start looking to tag, probably form a bigger range, to be honest, but that kind of area would be the spot that would hold up price, which would be 31,931. Anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we will catch up with you on Monday. Stay safe. Cheers for now.